guys, welcome to my channel. I'll show you the AUG sound effect and talk about the ultimate set pre-order today. This PUBG also released the new ultimate set. Here is the pre-order screen. It will cost 216 UC for discount draw. That's good. You can trade in the redeem set item too. As you can see, I already redeemed 5 of them. I'm just waiting for 20 mini gems, then I can redeem. This suit looks insane. We will try. Let me know in the comment if you are hyped for this suit or AUG update. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the PUBG leak and gameplay.